Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to get voice chat on Roblox mobile. First of all, open the Roblox app. Go to the three dots at the bottom of the left side. Scroll down and go to Settings. Click on Account Info. Scroll down and check if your mail address is verified. Scroll down to verify your age. Verify your age to get the most out of Roblox. Prepare a valid ID to start the ID verification process. It requires a driver's license, passport, ID card, and residence permit. Click on Start Session. Before you get started, please do check all the boxes. By clicking on the button, you consent to a persona. Click on Begin Verifying. Select your country from where your government ID is from. Upload a photo ID. They require a photo of government ID. Choose one of the following options: driver's license, national ID, or passport. Here, I'm choosing a passport. Take a clear photo of your entire passport portrait page. Go back to Settings and tap on Security. Add an extra layer of protection to your account by two-step verification. Go back to Settings and click on Privacy. You can enable your account restriction. Then the account can only access the content that is appropriate for all audiences. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.